Welcome to Tech Vibes as we prepare to safely access the Walton TV service menu step by step. Place the Walton TV remote on a clean surface in front of the Walton TV screen. Make sure the Walton TV is powered on and showing a normal home screen. Use your hands to check that the Walton TV remote batteries are working. Stand close to the Walton TV so the remote signal reaches the Walton TV clearly. Press the menu button once on the Walton TV remote. Wait for the Walton TV main menu to appear fully on the screen. Using the Walton TV remote number keys, slowly press 1 on the Walton TV remote. Continue by pressing 1 again on the Walton TV remote without rushing. Press 4 next on the Walton TV remote while facing the Walton TV. Finish the code by pressing 7 on the Walton TV remote carefully. Watch closely as the Walton TV responds to the entered service code. If successful, the Walton TV service menu appears on the Walton TV screen. Keep your hands steady, and do not press random buttons on the Walton TV. Use only the arrow keys on the Walton TV remote to move inside the Walton TV menu. Navigate slowly through the Walton TV service options for observation only. Avoid changing values unless you fully understand the Walton TV setting. Check basic Walton TV information like model and software version. Move down gently to view Walton TV panel or option details. Do not select reset options inside the Walton TV service menu. If the Walton TV menu does not appear, press exit on the Walton TV remote. Return the Walton TV back to the normal home screen. Power off the Walton TV using the Walton TV remote. Unplug the Walton TV power cable using your hands. Wait at least 30 seconds to fully power cycle the Walton TV. Plug the Walton TV power cable back into the socket. Turn the Walton TV on again with the Walton TV remote. Repeat the Walton TV menu and code steps carefully once more. Watch the Walton TV screen closely for any service menu response. If the Walton TV service menu opens, stop pressing extra buttons. Use the Walton TV remote arrows to review settings only. Keep fingers away from confirm buttons on the Walton TV. Note down Walton TV values if needed for technician reference. Press exit to safely leave the Walton TV service menu. Confirm the Walton TV returns to its normal display. Check that picture and sound on the Walton TV are still normal. If anything looks wrong, power off the Walton TV immediately. Unplug the Walton TV again for safety. Reconnect the Walton TV after a short wait. Turn the Walton TV back on to verify stability. Store the Walton TV remote safely after finishing. Keep the Walton TV service menu access limited to troubleshooting only. Avoid repeated Walton TV service menu access without reason. Clean the Walton TV remote buttons with a dry cloth. Ensure the Walton TV ventilation areas are not blocked. Observe the Walton TV for normal startup behavior. If issues persist, note the Walton TV model number. Contact the Walton TV Authorized Service Center if needed. Thanks for following this Walton TV service menu guide on Tech Vibes. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more safe Walton TV troubleshooting tutorials.